Mai te tau 2013 kua noho a Rhythm and Vines hei kaipapa nui mō Tūranganui-a-Kiwa. Engari kua whakatauria e ngā kai whakarite, koe nei te tau whakamutunga.
R&V has contributed so much, a bit of excitement, lots of fun for young ones across the country, revenue for us as a region as well, and also putting us on the map at the end of the year.
Mō ngā kai pakihi Māori toko maha o te rohe, he kōrero ohorere, he kōrero taumaha hoki tēnei.
Honestly, that's real sad, especially for us as new business owners. I mean, for the time that we've lived in Gisborne, we've always known R&V to be a big thing over summer, so it's something that we kind of, as business owners, rely on to get us by for the winter.
Hei tā a kania I taua wāhanga o te tau, ka pokia tana wāhi kai e te manuhiri.
Such a big difference. I mean, the summer that had just gone by was our first R&V, so from 9 o'clock till we closed, we were always packed, always busy. And it was nice. It was nice for our community to have new people come in and just liven up our town.
Atu I ngā whare kai ara noa atu ngā pakihi ka rongo I te taumahatanga.
Financially it's huge. We don't rely on it, but it's a definite boost for us over the summer period. Like I said, it's only 3 days of the year, but yes, it is still big.
Aha kua te pauri e whakapono ana te koro matua o Tūranga a Rehette Stoltz. He tūpono tēnei kia whakarewa kaupapa ke atu.
Even though it's a sad announcement today, it doesn't mean that something else can't fill that void. And we do have a beautiful location. We've got great weather most of the time, that time of year. So it also creates some opportunities.
Kua roa a Rhythm and Vines e whakatairanga ana I a Tūranganui-a-Kiwa I a tau, a nā te whakakorenga he ara ua kei mua I te aroaro mō ngā pakihi maha. Rāhia Timutimu, Taioro.